Welcome back, beautiful humans. It's Jenna from Body Art Movement Society, and I have another dance and tutorial for us today in our chairs. We're going to be doing Start to Sway. This is a really fun dance, a little fun with the footwork, and also we have a tag in this one, meaning that there's a little repeat because of the music. So got to really use those brains, get that heart pumping, and working on the coordination here. So when you're ready, join me in your chair or any other comfortable seated posture, and we're going to get started. Here we go. We're going to start with a mambo step with our left foot. So we're going to go mambo left and then a mambo right. And that is left, hold, right, hold. So we're stepping, hold, stepping, hold. All right, those counts go. 1, 2, 3, hold, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold, 8. From here, we're going to take that left foot, we're going to do 2 toe struts, starting with that left foot. So we're going to go toe, heel, and then the right foot goes toe, heel. So that's a toe strut. Toe, heel, toe, heel. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We're now going to do a rocking chair or a rocking horse with the left foot leading forward. It's going to go left, rock back on that right foot. Then we're going to take that left foot behind us or underneath us, left and right. So that is 4 counts. Left, right. The right foot stays where it's at, where the left foot is the one that moves in its direction. Okay, so let's try that again. So we have left, right. And as we get comfortable with it, you're more than welcome to maybe lean it out a little bit as well. Okay, here we go. So that second 8 count, we have 2 toe struts, left foot, right foot, rocking chair, and. All right, let's put that together from the top. We start with our mambo to the left, and then we have mambo step, toe strut, and rocking chair, and. Awesome, let's put that with our counts. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Feeling good so far? I hope so. All right, let's try that one more time, and then we're gonna add ourselves on right away. 6 from the top, mambo, and we mambo, toe strut, and a toe strut, rocking chair, and. That weight is on that right foot. We're gonna make our version of a grapevine to the left. Grapevine to the left with a touch, grapevine to the right, grapevine to the right with that touch. And when I say our version of that, meaning that if we don't want to cross all the way behind, we don't need to. Step together, step. Touch is always an option. Or if we want to cross behind, we can do that as well. So again, finding our version, what feels right for us today in our bodies. Here we go. So we have grapevine left and grapevine right. 5, 6, even counts go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, put that together from the top. Mambo step on the left. 5, 6, we go mambo to the left, mambo to the right with a toe strut, rocking chair, grapevine left, grapevine right. All right, we're almost there. So we just finished our grapevine to the right, left with that touch. Now we're gonna take our little step together step to the left, or our shuffle. Step together step, and then we're gonna have our rock recover, right, left, or a Lindy step. So Lindy to the left, rock recover. Then we're gonna take that right foot, we're gonna touch it to the side, touch it back in, we're gonna touch it out, and then we're gonna bring it back in. So we have touch, step, or touch actually. So we're touching to the side, touch it together, touch it, and then we are gonna step on this foot, and then we're gonna start it to the left, begin it all over again. So let's look at that last half of that 8 count. It goes right, step. So right, and then we go mambo to the left, mambo to the right with the toe strut, rocking chair, and grapevine left, grapevine right, and shuffle, rock recover, and a touch, step. Let's look at that last 8 count one more time. So we take that Lindy to the left, step together, step. That weight is on that left foot. This is where that rock recover comes in. So we go right, left, weight is on that left, and then we got touch, step. and then we begin the dance all over again. And before we get started with that music, let's talk about this tag in the middle of this dance. So like I said at the beginning, a tag is a repeat of choreography, so that way we're working with our music. So this is where the tag is gonna happen. We're gonna go through that pattern 8 times, okay? So we're gonna try to make sure that we keep count of that, but the music does really tell us as well. What we're gonna do is we are going to repeat the last 8 count twice after that 8th round, okay? So let's just say we just did, this is our 8th round where we do the shuffle to the left and a rock, recover, touch, 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 touch. We're gonna do that again. Shuffle to the left with the rock, recover, touch, 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 step, and then we go back to our mambo to begin the dance again. So like I said at the beginning, this is why it's a good challenge for our brain health, because we need to remember that coordination. But if we mess up, it's all good. We'll be here dancing no matter what. Okay, so when we're ready, let's dance to the music. Starting with our mambo on our left foot. Here we go. Mambo step, and toe strap, rocking chair, and grapevine left, grapevine right, and shuffle, rock, recover, and a touch, 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 step, mambo 1. Second mambo step, toe straps 2 times, rocking chair, front and back, and grapevine, and 2, and shuffle, rock, recover with the touch, 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 step, mambo step, and 2. And we find our flow here, front, back, rocking chair, grapevine, and grapevine, as we shuffle, rock, recover, and a touch, touch, step, in, mambo, in. Good, if you want to use that upper body, feel free to take that with us as we dance it out, grapevine. If you want to add a little snap of those grapevines, you sure can. And a touch, 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 step, mambo step, and toe strut it out. Rocking chair and grapevine, grapevine it out, and shuffle, rock, recover, and a touch, 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 step, and a 1, and a mambo 1. Toe strut, rocking chair, you got it, and a grapevine, as we shuffle to the side with the touch, 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 step, and mambo step, mambo it out with the toe, and a rocking chair, and grapevine, as we shuffle it out, and a touch, 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 step, 1, 2, 3, 4, we're breathing here as we dance it on out, front, back, front, grapevine, all right, we're gonna get ready for our tag here, out, in, take it side, rock, recover, and a touch, step, touch, back to the top with that mambo, yeah, there you go. Good job, everybody, working on those tags. Those are not easy to do at our line dances, especially when we're remembering all the choreography. And now we gotta remember how many of each we do. Something to work on for sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, mambo it out. And toe strut, front, back, front, grapevine, and right. And shuffle, rock, recover, and a touch, 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 step, mambo step, and a toe strut, rocking chair, and grapevine, Lindy, rock, recover it, touch, 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 and finish. Great job with Start to Sway. Thanks so much for dancing along with me today.